Renew comes in 2, 3, and 4 foot lengths, but if your shelf is longer, you can easily combine multiple kits to cover the distance. The first step to refreshing your space is to measure the length of your shelves. From there, you can decide how many Renew shelf covers you're going to need to cover the distance. For example, if your shelf is 4 feet wide, you will select one 4-foot cover. If your shelf is 5 feet wide, select one 2-foot cover and one 3-foot cover. Again, Renew can be cut if required. If your shelf is 4 feet 5 inches, you would purchase 5 feet of coverage and then cut it down to fit your precise measurement. For more information, be sure to watch our video on cutting Renew. For this 6-foot shelf, I'm going to be using two 3-foot kits. To do this, simply assemble your covers and place them together on the shelf. We recommend leaving the end caps off on the ends that will be butting up together. This will help give you a cleaner, tighter seam.